Hello guys, today I'll show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to Phantom Wallet. Firstly, open the Phantom Wallet extension and enter your password to unlock it. At the top center of the Phantom Wallet extension, you will see your Phantom Wallet address. Click on it to copy the address. After copying your Phantom Wallet address, sign into your Kraken account and at the top of the left of the Kraken webpage, click on Funding. Under the Funding section, click Withdraw. A withdraw window will open. Use the search bar to search for the crypto you want to send. For example, Solana. Once Solana appears, click on it. After clicking it, click Add Solana address. Pass the Phantom Wallet address you copied in step 1 into the address field and give this address a name in the address description field. Click Add Withdrawal Address and you will receive an address confirmation email from Kraken. Go to your email inbox and click Confirm Withdrawal to the address. Enter the amount and click Withdraw button to proceed. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.